Jalal al-Din Rumi, commonly known as Rumi, remains an extraordinary figure whose poetic works continue to resonate deeply with individuals seeking profound spiritual insights. Despite living in the 13th century, his words transcend time, culture, and religious boundaries, offering wisdom that speaks directly to the human spirit and the eternal quest for deeper meaning. Rumi's poems are not constrained by the confines of a particular era or belief system. Instead, they reach across centuries to touch the hearts and minds of people from all walks of life. In this exploration, we will delve into the concepts and ideas expressed in Rumi's poetry, which have captivated the imagination and spirituality of countless individuals over generations. At the heart of Rumi's poetic expression lies an intricate tapestry of themes that capture the essence of human experience and spiritual aspiration. His poems, often written in the form of mystical love verses, explore the profound realms of love, longing, unity, and the journey of the soul. While these themes may resonate with readers on a personal level, they also serve as gateways to broader concepts that embrace the entirety of existence. Let us delve into the concepts and ideas that Rumi's poetry encapsulates. Divine love and longing. Central to Rumi's verses is the theme of divine love and longing. His poetry encapsulates a fervent yearning for union with the divine, portraying a passionate desire to transcend the limitations of the material world and be reunited with the ultimate source of love, beauty, and truth. This longing serves as a driving force that propels the soul on its journey of spiritual awakening. Sufi mysticism. Rumi's profound insights are deeply rooted in Sufism, a mystical branch of Islam that emphasizes the direct experience of the divine through inner contemplation and devotion. His poems act as portals to the heart of Sufi teachings, portraying the soul's journey towards spiritual enlightenment and communion with the divine. Union and oneness. The concept of oneness is a cornerstone of Rumi's philosophy. His poetry celebrates the interconnectedness of all existence, portraying humanity's intrinsic unity with the divine. Rumi envisions this union as the ultimate fulfillment of the soul's journey, an exquisite merging back into the vast cosmic ocean of existence. Transcendence of ego. Rumi's verses invite readers to transcend the limitations of the ego or self-centered mind. He emphasizes humility, surrender, and selflessness as transformative pathways on the journey to spiritual growth and realization. Through the dissolution of ego, individuals discover their deeper, truer selves. Joy and ecstasy. A unique aspect of Rumi's poetry is its capacity to evoke feelings of joy, ecstasy, and celebration. He depicts the spiritual journey as a path of rapture, a journey infused with the intoxicating beauty of both the inner and outer worlds. This celebration of existence adds vibrancy to his verses. The beloved and the lover. Throughout his poetry, Rumi employs the metaphor of a lover and a beloved to symbolize the relationship between the individual and the divine. This imagery captures the soul's yearning for a deeper connection and portrays the transformative power of love in transcending worldly boundaries. The tavern of spirituality. Rumi often speaks of the tavern as a symbolic space of spiritual awakening. This metaphor represents a realm where seekers gather to partake in the intoxicating wine of divine love and wisdom, where they share insights and experiences on their spiritual journey. The Guest House. In Rumi's celebrated poem The Guest House, he likens the human experience to a guest house that hosts a variety of emotions and experiences. Rumi encourages individuals to embrace and welcome all emotions, whether positive or negative, recognizing that each emotion serves as a valuable teacher on the path of self-discovery. The reed flute in music. The metaphor of the reed flute is another recurring motif in Rumi's poetry. The reed, once part of a reed bed near a river, becomes separated and transformed into a musical instrument producing a mournful melody. This metaphor symbolizes the soul's yearning for reunion with its original source, a poignant reflection of the soul's innate longing for the divine. The dance of existence. Rumi often employs the metaphor of dance to describe the rhythms of existence. He invites individuals to engage in the dance of life, embracing its challenges, joys, and sorrows. By doing so, individuals become active participants in the cosmic dance floor of existence, where each step draws them closer to the divine. Despite the passage of centuries, Rumi's poetic legacy remains a luminous beacon that continues to illuminate the paths of modern seekers. As contemporary society navigates the complexities of an increasingly materialistic world, Rumi's verses offer a poignant reminder of the deeper dimensions of life. His concepts and ideas inspire individuals to embark on the journey of self-discovery, love, and unity. In a world where many find themselves yearning for a genuine spiritual connection, Rumi's poetry serves as a bridge between ancient wisdom and the quests of modern souls. His verses offer solace, guidance, and a profound sense of purpose to those who seek a deeper understanding of their existence. The enduring relevance of Rumi's work lies in his emphasis on love, unity, and the celebration of life, the themes that echo the desires of those who yearn for a more holistic understanding of their place in the universe. The poetry of Rumi is a timeless treasure that continues to shine brightly across the ages. His concepts and ideas, rooted in the depths of human experience and spirituality, invite individuals to embark on a journey of self-discovery, love, and unity. Through his verses, Rumi encourages us to transcend ego, embrace the dance of existence, and seek the divine essence that resides within us and all things. In a world often preoccupied with the transient and superficial, Rumi's poetry stands as a profound reminder of the eternal and sacred dimensions of life. His words echo through the corridors of time, inviting us to listen to the whispers of our souls and awaken to the boundless love and wisdom that reside within our hearts. Rumi's poetry remains a timeless bridge that connects the human spirit to the divine essence, inviting us to partake in the ageless journey of self-discovery and spiritual transformation.